What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic 90s chick rock. Joan Osborne. If God Was One of Us. So this song only has 4 chords basically. We're in E minor. 1, 2, E minor. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. Well, 2, 3, 4, I should say. And D major. 1, 2, 3. Got one more chord later for the pre-chorus, but let's talk about that when we get there. And then we got that melody. I'm gonna teach that later as well. So there's the chords: 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor, C, G, D, E minor, C, G, 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 D, E minor and C, G, 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 D. I'm doing a lot of downstrokes. So bump, up, 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 down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, so pre-chorus, C, and then we move this whole chord up to 5th fret. And make that some kind of D. What is it? It's like a D sus. It's a cool chord. Some kind of D. C, D, one more time. Chorus, same chords. Let's go to the pre-chorus. Cool. And then we have that melody. Starts on 9 on the G string, to 11, to 12. And while you play that, you can also play the B and the E string. That sounds good. And then we're gonna go to 4, 5, 7. And during the verse, more muting. Put your right hand on the strings and mute. And for the chorus, open up. Cool. If God was one of us. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool songs. Be safe. Thank you.